Hi, this is Chantel, and welcome to Heavy on the Chai. I am sharing with you my microblading experience. Of course, you guys know I live downtown, so I'm going to take you with. So this is the threading studio. It's a quaint place, woman-owned by my friend Sunita. I met Sunita about 6 years ago when she first did my microblading. And so she does have a new place coming, so I congratulate her. And I'm just showing you around her place before my procedure. So this is the before. It's been over 2 years since she's microbladed, and I think I had powder the first time. So I just want you guys to appreciate the beginning, because I'm going to be fine in the end. It's time, you guys, for the big. This is it. This is it. What do you think? Just kidding. Alrighty. Wow. Perfection. And it was so painless. This is the only woman who gets to touch my brows.
I'm gonna do the threading after this.
Okay.
Clean it up.
Wow.
What do you think?
I love it. So this is after the threading. It's a little swollen, which is to be expected. And that's a picture of Sunita and her pricing. So now I'm headed off to get my eyewear. And this is where I get the majority of my eyewear. And my consultant is Allison. I highly recommend her. She's the bomb. She has an eye for fashion. She actually will pick out something for me and set it aside, and I absolutely love it. After spending time with her, and she just learned my style. And we wear similar glasses. But I love this place. It's owned by partners, and it's very inclusive. It's a whole vibe, you guys. It's known for fashion eyewear, and they offer you champagne, and some of the designers, they'll come on site, they'll call you down to meet them, and I love it. It's a one-stop shop. I've had an eye exam there. The technician will have your eyeglasses ready that same day. These are some of my eyeglasses. I have more. And this is where it's located. This is a part of Dallas that I lived in before moving downtown. And now I'm on my way to meet up with my sister. Taking the scenic route for you guys. And here I am.
Oh, you want to get on the camera?
My sister Ruthie.
I don't want to get y'all walking, but if y'all want
and my sister Esmini.
Look at the crew. We out here doing it. I love this. It's like motivation. This is gonna go on my IG stories. Hey y'all. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Started our morning with a hike. and we ended it at Eddie V's Seafood and Steakhouse with my sister who came down from Cali, Honeybee. And she talked me into having this beautiful dessert, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Be blessed, love everyone who loves you, and don't take any moment for granted. I love you all, and none of this video was sponsored. This is just me sharing because people ask me about my eyewear and my procedure. I love you. See you in the next video.